Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. Somebody a box of 10-11 Panini Zenith that ended tonight on eBay. That is March the 2nd between times of 6:45 and 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It was my early break tonight. Last team that was Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 7:14. 7:14. Current eBay time is 10:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 2nd. I'm going to do the break right now, upload to YouTube, and as soon as possible I will circulate links to everybody involved. There are still some people outstanding on this one. 937-23307. Just remember the 307 at the end there is the serial number. I'll show that to you as I pop open the webcam. 307. If it focuses, I can show that to you. 937-23307. Is of course a sealed box. Zenith. Zenith, of course, contains the Dare to Tear, which will get ripped at the end of the break. Has lots of goodies in it, or sometimes a bust. Well, not a bust, but epics card. Hopefully, if it has a goodie in it, it's going to have National Treasures. I've hit the Subban, the Hall. I've hit 101s out of there. I've hit all sorts of good things out of the Dare to Tear. So we're going to take the Dare to Tear. We're going to throw that one right there. Do that one at the very end of the break. Do all the other packs. I will still ship the base Legends cards. I'm probably the only guy who does that because it makes for a heck of a lot of shipping. Base Legends are cards numbered 116 and higher. 116 and higher. I double check that. Okay, so I put these all on top of there. Good luck, guys. Base, we have a Potvin Red Hot for the LA Kings. Potvin Red Hot parallel. We have for the Columbus Blue Jackets, if we get that to firm up, a mosaics of Vermette, Mason, and Voracek. Vermette, Mason, and Voracek. These never focus properly. There's Columbus Blue Jackets, Vermette, Mason, and Voracek. Base and base. One, two, we have a Dale Hawerchuk, card number 134, so that will get shipped. That does go to the Phoenix Coyotes. Phoenix Coyotes, not the Winnipeg Jets. Follow the franchise line. We have a Z rookie out of 9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Matt Calvert. Matt Calvert for the Blue Jackets out of 9.99, non-auto version. Base, and Eric Lindros, card number 123 for the New York Rangers. That does ship. We have a Z Winter Warriors. Sergei Gonchar for the Ottawa Senators. Of course, that ships. We have a Chasing the Cup for the Detroit Red Wings of Nick Lidstrom. Couple more base. Base. We have a Derek Sanderson, card number 132 for the St. Louis Blues. Derek Sanderson. That'll ship. One more base. Oh, we have a nice private signings autograph for the Tampa Bay Lightning of Dwayne Rollison. Rolly the goalie. Dwayne Rollison for Tampa Bay. Cal Clutterbuck for the Minnesota Wild. Gifted Grinders. Decoy, a couple more base. Brian Leetch, card number 120 as a Legends for the Rangers. Brian Leetch. Doug Gilmour, card number 128 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Like another Legends. And we have a Scott Hartnell for the gifted grinder to the jersey swatch out of 299 for the Philadelphia Flyers. Scott Hartnell for the Flyers. Last for regular pack, then we'll do the Dare to Tear. Base, Guy Lafleur for the Montreal Canadiens. Guy Lafleur for the Habs. Alright, on to the Dare to Tear. Let me put these guys away. Need some room for the big guy. Dare to Tear. Good luck, guys. This is where the money is, the Zenith. Cam Neely getting ripped a new one. I do destroy these cards completely. I don't go easy on them. Today's Dare to Tear will cover an Epics, but not a bad Epics, because it's a rookie Epics of Jeff Skinner. His is rookie year. Jeff Skinner Epics for the Carolina Hurricanes. Not a bad card. Not a bad card. That's it for the break. Again, I want to thank everybody once again. I will have 5 boxes going on eBay tomorrow night. Again, I do not remember what they are. I believe it's Ultimate's in there, if they're retro, a bunch of other good stuff. All right, guys, have a good one. It is Monday night.